Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, definitely subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'll promise we will enjoy bags together. Today I'm very excited to share my first luxury fashion haul with you, including unboxing reveal of my new Bottega Veneta bag. Last year I've been really frugal with my purchases, especially at the end of the year. That's why in the beginning of 2024, before my birthday, I allowed myself to go a little bit crazy. As always, I'm going to link all the products in the description box below for you to easily shop this video or check out the products closely. We will start with the trainers. As you can see, it's Adidas trainers. I've been off designer trainers lately. Completely, 100%. I've sold all my designer trainers. It's not like I had many of them, but I did a few and I sold them all. And I'm completely moved to the sport brands trainers. First of all, because of the comfort. I feel like with the designer trainers, behind the big price tag, there is just a designer label. Nothing else, no comfort. Two of my favorite brands are New Balance and Adidas. I love New Balance for absolute comfort. Guys, it's the comfiest shoes, the comfiest trainers I've ever had. I've never seen a blister on my feet after wearing New Balance. And recently I rewatched Crazy Stupid Love movie with Stephen Carell and Ryan Gosling. And there's a scene where Ryan Gosling is roasting Stephen Carell for wearing New Balance trainers. And Stephen Carell was like, "What's wrong with that?" And I'm like watching it and I'm like, that's me. I'm Stephen Carell. Yeah, that's me. I love my New Balance and I'm not ashamed to wear them. With Adidas, I love them for the style. As you know, the Samba and Gazelle models are one of the most fashionable, trendiest styles at the moment in the trainers world. And I'm going to reveal my new purchase, guys. And bye-bye. It's an Adidas Gazelle model in the beautiful blue color. I purchased them because of the color. When I've seen the collaboration of Adidas and Sporty and Rich for the Samba model last year in the blue color, one of the trainers were in the blue color, I absolutely fell in love. Obviously, it was immediately sold out everywhere, and on resale, the price for those trainers were absolutely ridiculous. And I wasn't prepared to spend a few £100 for the pair of shoes which cost only £90, and that's why I waited until Adidas released this Gazelle in the beautiful blue color. Absolutely loved it. There is a different colors available. I'm already thinking about purchasing this model in the different colors, and it's just really comfy, really nice. It's recommended to take them at half a size down from your regular size. I've done it. I usually wear a size 5 UK. I went for 4.5, but it is okay. It's fine. But I think if I went for the 5, it will be fine as well. Half a size doesn't do much, I would say, and I would probably say that those ones, Gazelle model, is true to the size. Next category we're moving on to is going to be a neat wear. It's still winter. I still need my warm clothes. And in Scotland, in the UK, guys, the best thing that we love is layers. All our outfits, it's a layer after layer after layer, because you might come out of your house and be absolutely freezing, and after that it will be a sun is out, no rain, a warm wind, and you need to unpeel yourself like an onion. And that's why the cardigans are one of the best things, the best sold things here in UK. And I'm going to cover now a cardigans that I purchased, and I will start with this absolutely gorgeous wool cardigan from the brand Bernadette. Guys, it's piece of art. I absolutely loved it. First of all, the composition, it's a 70% alpaca wool, absolutely ridiculously soft and delicate and nice, and 30% of polyamide, so the alpaca wool but actually is not as itchy like a usually wool is. Softest little thing. I just love like touching it is just, and it feels on amazingly. And secondly, look at this work. Look at this craftsmanship. The beautiful plastic flowers, glass beads, a little bit of pearls. You can just, and even little diamantes there as well. Beautiful work, beautiful stitching. Obviously you need to be careful around all of that because it can just hook to something, but I would say from what I've been trying and wearing that, I would say the flowers stitched pretty good, nice, neatly. Very, very good. Absolutely love it, guys. It's just and the style, those off the shoulders warm knitted things are really in fashion at the moment. And the other thing that I really like, that you can unzip it here if you want to show a little bit of your belly, or go for the lower cleavage, or just going up a little bit, so you can style that the way you want. I usually wear size 10 UK and my height is 5'3", 163 centimeters tall. This one is size small. I think if I went for a size up medium, it would be good as well. I don't feel too snug just now, but it's a nice fit, but I think the medium would work as well. The next cardigan I have, it's also nice and warm, and it's a rather cozy, nice cardigan than something for going out, and it's from Danish brand Ganni. That's my first purchase from Ganni brand. I know it's really popular at the moment, but it just didn't happen before. I've never made any purchases with them, so this one is the first one. Beautiful cardigan made of recycled wool. I really like that idea, and just first used wool as well, with a little bit of artificial fiber, just to make it not, as I mentioned before, not as itchy as the usually wool is, and also just to make it a little bit softer. Very warm, very nice. I've already tried it on just like a naked body, and guys, it doesn't itch at all. And also it will be really good with white tops or white t-shirts. Nice. Jeans, skirts. I think that will be good, really good with a maxi denim skirts as well. Last cardigan that we have in our haul is this one. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this color. Beautiful, rich red with a floral pattern. As you can see, I have a soft spot for the floral pattern. Absolutely love it. This cardigan has a puffer sleeve, which goes into the tight sleeve over here and adds like a Victorian vibe to the whole outfit. It's really thick. It's made of 100% cotton, but it's really thick and nice and feel really good on your skin. I love the natural fiber for my clothing, and always go for the composition where the natural fiber is more than 50-60%, because it feels nicer to the skin, and skin can breathe. I can actually feel this. That goes really well with a denim skirt. Again, the maxi skirts are going to be big this year again, I genuinely believe so, and just the jeans, any sort of jeans you like. And I love the idea that it has this floral pattern on the bag as well. And don't forget that red is so much in fashion in the moment. We can't get rid of red for the next year, I genuinely believe so. And this one is from the brand called Molly Goddard, and this in size medium. I also want to mention that's the top made in Italy, and look into this contrasting inside to this red one. Quite unusual and interesting. I don't think, no, you can wear that out like that, but it's still really nice and beautiful over here. It's like a sign of the luxury and craftsmanship when even the hidden part is done in such a beautiful way. And now we're moving to the next, and I've mentioned in the beginning of the video that my birthday is coming up, so I'm on the hunt for the birthday outfit as well. And here, voila, look at this gorgeous piece in amazing, exquisite emerald color. I love those gem colors, ruby, emerald. They're always so vibrant, so deep, has so much in there. And I love how they look against the skin. And actually, the gem colors, they look nice on any skin tone, believe me. This one is from the brand, I've never heard about this brand before. It's called Caroline Constance from New York. This one in size small. I love the idea that the actual puffer sleeves can go on your shoulder and off your shoulder, creating a different style and making this piece very versatile. And the same with the actual wide part, the main part of the bodice. In this case, you can wear that out or tuck it in, again creating a different style. And one thing that I definitely should mention here, that the actual top comes with a corset bra inside, so you don't need to wear any bra at all. At the first glance, I didn't believe that it's actually going to fit really well and I don't need a bra at all, but believe me, it's actually done really well and very comfortable. I haven't decided 100% that it's going to be the outfit for my birthday, because it's a couple of more outfits are coming out. And I know for sure that I'm going to wear the black trousers because my birthday is in February. I still want to be warm and comfortable. So it's going to be a warm wool trousers in black, but that's what's going to be on top. That's time to decide. As I said, more outfits to come. I'm going to share them as well, guys, for you to choose which one would be the best. And now we are moving to the bag review. If you've seen my video, my wish list video for 2024, if you haven't, I'm going to leave the link below in the description box. So if you have, you already know that apart from my wish list, and I do have a Bottega Veneta bag on this wish list, which is a small Jodie, but it's not the small Jodie, no. I allowed myself this year a one wild card. One bag purchase of any budget at any time, obviously within the reason. And without further ado, I did use this wild card. I couldn't wait. I think again because I was so thrifty last year and I wasn't buying much at all. I was like, I'm going wild now. That's why I went for this beautiful bag. And now I'm going to reveal that. As you know already, it's a Bottega Veneta. And it's one of the new editions. And it's a Bottega Veneta. Ta-da! Andiamo East-West bag in the small size. I can say that the internet made me buy it. Definitely. I've seen this bag so many times recently with the influencers rocking this bag in the different colors. And also the internet calling it the it bag for 2024. I couldn't miss this opportunity to bank this bag for myself in my favorite color, fondant, deep brown, dark chocolate. When I see this color, I am thinking about chocolate and I love chocolate. Gorgeous bag, super soft. It feels really lightweight. I haven't weighed it yet, but guys, it feels amazing. And you know how much I love Bottega Veneta brand. I'm going to reveal my first impression, my quick review on this bag very, very soon. So stay tuned. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video of the luxury fashion haul and Bottega Veneta Andiamo East-West bag in the small size unboxing. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up. subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!